Alright, so this is the rubber tree. It's now just a rubber stock.
Arghentrock.
Morning guys, nandito tayo sa highest point here in Binangonan. At least I think this is the highest or second highest. So you can see behind us, that's Laguna Lake. And over here, that's Pasig. The cityscape is Taguig. That's Taguig, Bonifacio Global City. So this is Binangonan. The town below us is Binangonan. So we just took the opportunity to show you this viewpoint. And over here, where is that? That's the art sector. That's the art sector gallery. The white building, the Mediterranean style building. It's art sector. So lots of riders go there to take selfies. Just like what we're doing here. And
360 daw ang view.
yan. So welcome to Arghentrock. Arghentrock lang. Ito simpleng hardin siya. Ako Arghentrock. So same intro. Different episodes. Go check out our channels and don't forget to like and subscribe. So guys, welcome. Good morning. Welcome back to Arghentrock. Another day, another episode. Okay, so we fixed this section of our garden. We had some construction going on here a few days ago. We had the pipe fixed, and you can see it's still a mess. So we will be fixing this area slowly but surely. So this is what our garden looks like on this side of the house, and we'll be moving more of these Mariana plants. So you're just throwing the leaves away.
Dapat.
Well, some Mariana hobbies use them as cuttings to grow new plants.
Hindi yun ano.
Not practical.
Hindi. Kahit anong gawin mo, hindi yan lalaki.
Ganun ba? Na-try mo na? Hindi siya magiging plant?
Magkakaugat siya, pero hindi siya lalaki.
Ganun? Pero has it been proven?
Nagkaugat siya, ginawa ko eh. Nagkaugat siya. Pero nandito na siya, nakaugat na
But
siya.
maybe you should have transplanted it into soil.
Nasa soil siya. Nagkaugat siya, nasa soil siya. Tapos months na, nakaganon pa lang din. So parang walang sense.
Ganun ba? Maybe it takes time. Maybe it takes time.
Sobrang tagal na yun kung months na. Di mag-cuttings ka na lang. Ba't ka magpapakahirap sa isang dao na nakaganon lang ng months na? Eh, ang cuttings, 7 araw lang, buhay na.
So we have lots of Mariana leaves just thrown away into the trash. So some of you might ask, why not let them grow into new plants? Well, it's not really practical because it's better to just get actual cuttings, and those cuttings will grow into a new plant in just a few days compared to growing a new plant from a single leaf. Well, we really haven't tried it. So according to Simpling Hardin, she tried growing a leaf or several leaves, which grew roots, but after that didn't really grow into didn't really grow into new plants. So we're not sure. Maybe it takes time. We're not sure. Let us know. Have you done that before?
Buhay na to.
Your online philodendron.
May bago na siya.
Nga. Yeah. So a lot of our viewers are saying, oh good, now you have more than one philodendron.
Dumami siya. Kasi
From an unfortunate event, now you have multiple philodendrons which are alive and well.
siguro pwede ko na rin itong ilipat.
So if you guys have watched the previous episodes, this philodendron came in from the courier, wilted and dried. So we cut them up and planted the cuttings, and now they're alive.
Water propagation.
Yan.
Mas mabilis pag water.
Mas mabilis pag water.
Kasi ito yung
Sa pag-root, no?
ito yung sa water. Ito yung sa
Okay. Experiment mo pala yan.
Oo. So, mas mabilis yung water.
Okay.
Ito sa dito. Ito ang tagal yun. Pero may lumalabas sa doon na yun.
Oo nga. Okay lang.
So, ang tagal nito.
Ah.
So, ito mabilis. So, usual naman mas mabilis pag water propagation.
Oo.
Kahit sa mayana.
Kasi yung ano mo doon, yung rubber tree mo inside the house, it's lost all its leaves.
Oo.
So I'm gonna get it. Here, hold the camera. I'm gonna get it. Switch here. Alright, so this is the rubber tree. It's now just a rubber stock.
Pamalo.
Yeah. What happened to this spot? It used to be
Oh,
golden.
ganyan yan. Nasa loob ng bahay lang siya, pero nagiging ganyan siya.
Okay, look what happened. It's been inside the house for maybe a year or more.
A year na siguro.
More than a year. It
Yung kaukampisahan ng ano eh.
yung first lockdown,
Oo.
2020.
Mga April din yun eh.
Yeah. So after a year, look what happened. So we're not sure what happened. This is the last leaf.
The last leaf.
The last straw. But I think it's still alive. So what do you think, guys? If we put it here among these other plants, do you think this will grow healthier?
Ireripat ko siya. Ilalagay ko siya sa ibang paso. Mapalit ako ng soil.
What if I stick this leaf into the soil like that?
Dried na yan eh.
Will it grow into a new plant? It's too heavy.
Hindi
Anyway guys, so look. A new project.
Ireripat ko yan. Kaya yung pasuko, hindi ko na ba't nagkakaganyan siya.
Oo nga, it used to be golden here in this area.
Nasa loob lang ng bahay yan. Kahit punasan mo siya, ganyan siya eh. So, ang pangit siguro ng ginamit namin.
Hindi siguro waterproof yung loob.
Siguro. Yung kanyang pintura.
Yeah, this used to be gilded.
Ayan o.
See, there are still traces of gold. Not real gold. Gold paint.
Tataka nga ako ba't siya nagkakaganyan. Naiinis ako, ang daming grasshopper. Alam mo, binubutas niya talaga
Oo
yung
nga, dati
mamaya
wala
ko.
naman, ano?
Kahit dun sa kabila. Nakita ko na grasshopper yung gumagawa.
Oo. Culprit.
Yun. Bubutasin niya, tapos iwanan niya. Isa siyang pasaway na tipaklong. Buti na lang yung mga mayana yung inaano niya, hindi yung mga ganito.
Pero hindi lahat ng mayana gusto niya.
Siguro merong masamang lasang mayana.
Ayun na, may mga droppings. Mga close-up na. Ayun, itim-itim. Grasshopper droppings, I think, maybe. Yan. Pero anyway, may episode si ano. Hello. May episode si Certified Promedy. Yung I think it's his channel on how to prevent grasshoppers from eating your mayana leaves, your mayana plant.
So may mixture.
Wala, sa totoo hindi ko napanood yung episode na yun. Sorry, Certified. Pero yan, nanonood pa naman kami regularly. Hindi lang nagka-comment. Yan. So guys, ano ginagawa nyo para ma-prevent yung mga grasshoppers na kainin ng mga mayana leaves ninyo? Let us know in the comments. It would be very helpful to us. Ba't ka gumagana? Tornado na? Tornado
Hindi.
ka? Hindi ba?
Turtle yan. Turtle.
Turtle.
Yan ang mother plant. Ayun na sila lahat. Nasabi sila naman.
Ito yung parang nilalapitan palagi ng mealybugs.
Oo.
It's being attacked by mealybugs.
Kahit yung nasa taas, siya lang din. Ewan ko. Best friend yata sila.
But I tried spraying the ones on the balcony with ano. What's that spray? yung anti-mosquito.
citronella.
Citronella.
Dead
Not
na rin
sure.
sila.
I don't think it works.
Dead na din siya. Oh, na-dry ito eh. Namatay sila. Pero hindi ko inano. Ayan.
Boy, ang ganda niya. Ano ba yan? Spider plant.
Spider.
So guys, ano nga plant ulit?
Kutsarita.
Guys, sabihin niyo sa amin, let us know how to keep mealybugs from decimating your kutsarita plants.
Kutsarita.
Let us know what you do. Ito ba giant pothos? Bakit ito? Magiging giant yan.
Ito, ayan. Ayan siya. Ayan.
Ayun na nga, nagpunta na dun. Ang hilig nila magpunta sa neighbor, mga pitback.
Nakakailang cut na nga ako niyan eh. Ito, golden photos ko talaga. Ayan siya. Pero ito, giant siya.
Mabilis i-propagate ang giant pothos and they're also difficult to kill.
Buti nga ito, hindi pa masyado malaki.
Teka, dito mo pala nilagay yung ano. Wag dito.
Hoy, iba yan.
Ay, iba ba ito? Naiwan to?
Ayun.
Saan mo nilagay iba?
Ay, ito oh.
Akin, dito shoot mo ka. Ito guys, yung kinamit ni Bay J. Sabi pwede pang isalba. Itong aming bird's nest. Mini bird's nest. So, kailangan niya na more humid environment. So, we're gonna relocate this along with the others.
May nakasampay pa ako. Ito.
Ayun, they look healthier na.
Diyan ko siya nilagay. Pinapong ko siya dyan.
Ito, sa kilagay.
Dito din.
Itong dahon na ito, pwedeng pang kuskus ng...
Diyan yan sa kapitbahay.
Pwedeng pang kuskus ng plato. Parang sandpaper. Ano bang dahon to? Okay. Pwedeng pang
Lumaki.
Anyway, lagyan natin ito dito.
Lagay mo siya dyan.
Yeah.
Ayusin mo naman.
Nice ko na.
Ayan. Titigan ko siya every hapon.
Ayan. Yan, by J.
Ito na, nakaka-survive na siya. Ayan. Dito medyo malamig dito sa hapon. Ayan.
Oo nga, malamig nga dito.
Ayan.
Feeling ko nga, malamig.
At saka maraming puno dyan. Kaya, balik ba talaga dyan?
Kasi pwedeng pang kuskus ng plato eh.
Kuskus ng plato. Awayin ka pa nang naguhugas ng plato eh. Ayan. Ayan. Yung aking ano din, dito niya gusto. Wandering Jew. Yung mga Wandering Jew ko doon, hindi makasurvive.
Itong variety ng Wandering Jew nito, I always see this in that YouTube show, yung Little House, Tiny House, what's that?
Living big.
Feeling big in a tiny house?
Living big.
Oh, living big in a tiny house. The houses they feature almost always have this kind of Wandering Jew.
Dito pala niya gusto. Doon sa harap ko, tsaka dito sa side, hindi siya makasurvive. Ayan o. Kasi siguro yung ano, no?
Eto, bakit yung leaves ng iyong lace mayana
Ibang kulay.
are small?
Tsaka hindi siya dark.
Why are the leaves? Maybe you need to put this in under the sun.
Ito yung hindi masyadong naaarawan. Yung nandoon ko naaarawan.
Oh,
Kaya
they have
maganda
bigger
siya.
leaves and
So,
maybe they also have richer soil.
hindi. Same no. Soy lang sila. Ito lang talaga yung... May mayanang gusto sa araw na sobra. Merong ayaw. Natutuyo sila. Meron namang... para silang sa tao. Ito, hindi ko pa maiisip kung saan ko siya ilalagay.
Madali naman
Dahil
to propagate.
mahaba na siya.
Just take a cutting and put it elsewhere, it will live.
Sabi ni Ate Flora, pag naarawan, magpipink siya, pero
Ito, pink.
yung pink na pink, pero hindi siya nagpipink talaga eh.
Hindi siya naarawan.
Dun ko nga siya nilagay sa maaraw na maaraw. Nag-dry siya eh. So, inalis ko siya. Yan. Itong aking golden photos. Nilabas ko saglit. Nasa loob to ng bahay.
Mas maganda na ngayon outside.
Kasi sabi, ilabas mo siya paminsan-minsan eh. Nung umulan, nilabas ko siya kasi gusto ko nga ulan ang magdilig sa kanya. So, ayan.
Ganda.
Ayan, nag-trail na siya. So, kailangan ko nga yan.
Maganda nakakatulong din ito parang jungle dito sa kabila.
Oo.
Ito na. Yan, ito yung parang jungle environment dito. Makatulong
Simula
din
po
yan.
kasi
Medyo
na
cooler.
nag-pandemic. Simula na nag-pandemic, nawala po yung nakatira dyan.
Pero hindi,
Na
hindi naman ibig sabihin na wala na nag-disappear. Na, hindi lang
hindi po siya umuwi. Kasi mag-isa lang siya. Ayaw niya mag-isa. So, yan. Dumami yung kanyang ano.
Tapos na ba? Okay. So that's our episode. Short episodes for today on arghentrock. So we'll still be going outside for plant adventures. Just wait. Just continue wait lang.
MECQ ulit.
And we'll be getting there. New plant adventures and new views, new sites. Just wait for it. And thank you. We very much appreciate your continued support for our channels, arghentrock and Simpling Hardin. Yan. And pasensya na hindi kami masyadong present sa mga comments, but nandyan pa rin kami, don't worry, nanonood pa rin kami kahit hindi kayo makakomment. And also thank you very much for all your support. See you around next time.
Arghentrock.